amazing how long it takes to actually kill the cereal.
Hear that? That's your heart rate on cigarettes. Hear that? That's your heart rate on cigarettes. Slowly taking in your last breath. Then all of a sudden, death.
Gentlemen, this is what am I called? Billy Bob Wyatt, and he's
Jimmy James Wyatt.
Jimmy James Wyatt, and this is Alien Nature, brother.
Season 2.
Season 2, episode 1.
Now see, we back up in this bitch, cause you know the producers of Khaos Korp asked us to come back after, you know, maybe our first season didn't do that well. We only had 5 fucking episodes, but that's all good, whatever. But they asked us to come back
because we started too late.
It's the middle of summer. Well, it's still spring. So we're coming to you early this year, and we're coming with 12 episodes this time.
No, we're gonna try to do 20.
We're gonna try to do 20, but we're probably only gonna try to do 12. But anyway, on today's episode, we're exploring this abandoned wilderness.
Look at this. Ooh, yeah, look at all these. I wonder what aliens we can see.
I don't know, brother. I've never been to this part of the woods before in my life.
Yeah.
This is kind of new to me.
Well,
didn't TK say you got abducted around here or some shit? Didn't XJ say that shit around that motherfucking park?
I think so. I'm not too sure.
Anyway.
That was a while ago.
Anyway, let's go down and explore these woods.
Let's go. Alright. Yep. Oh shit.
I don't know where this trail goes. And unfortunately, I don't have my knife. But
hey, we'll make a stick.
In a situation that reminds you, when you're stuck in the middle of the woods, you gotta come prepared. Well, unfortunately, I didn't come prepared, but I'm prepared now.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I have something from like the 21st century.
He's got a little switch lead right there.
Yeah.
Now, as you can tell around these parts, you can already tell that some massive creature has come through these woods.
Yeah. Look at that, That's probably a bed over there or something.
I don't know too much about these parts.
You know what? I think this is a summoning place for the aliens.
Think so?
Look at this space, and then there's the alien.
Oh, damn, look at that safe pool right there. Let's go look at that right there.
All right, let's go look at that.
Oh, God, look at all these bugs around here.
Oh
God, these are the spores.
They're festering over here.
They're the spores.
They're spores.
Goddamn spores of the alien shit pit. Now, we unfortunately can't get too close to that shit because these little bastards is violent as hell.
Yeah.
And they don't like you. Apparently. That's all I know. Yeah, my stick just broke, but who gives a fuck? Let's continue.
It's so good. We gotta climb over this thing now.
Yep. I don't know what massive creature took down these trees. But we're gonna go find out. What the hell is that? Look at that right there, brother.
I don't know what that is.
That is some creepy shit right there. What is it?
I can't get
what
out.
Is that? Get your ass over there and look at that damn shit. What is wrong with you? Get over there.
I think it's just a bottle. I can't climb over things, brother. I have a hard time. I got a bad back. Brother. I can't really.
My Wyatt, 97 years old.
I don't know.
Actually, she's 157 years old, but she don't like to talk about her age. But that's another story.
I think these things inside the room. That's the risk we're taking.
Yeah.
That side of there's like no way out of there. There's just cesspools all around, so we really can't go through this part.
But as you can see where the sticks are,
yeah,
there's a bunch of aliens up in that bitch.
Yeah, and cesspools all around there. We can't get around.
They're sleeping right now, and they got guards on duty, and we can't get in there, unfortunately. Yeah. If we die, it's all good. This is how it all ends. Look at them. Say, oh God, look at that shit.
We got close up in the cesspool. What?
Careful. Quicksand. Shit's loose as fuck over here. What's that? I don't know, but I think we're in a new area that's never been discovered before.
I think so.
He came in, he just came out of nowhere. Funky. Now funky around here. And this was there. Made it ritual grounds. See, look at that. This is where they mated and created more spawns of aliens. See, this is what they use to clean up after themselves. That shit right there.
Oh man, it keeps going.
Oh, fuck, it's full of aliens.
Oh yeah.
Look at this. See this right here? This is what they use to screen themselves inside so they can stand the weather.
Ah.
You see, they may look like us, but they're not us. Not at all. Not at all.
Ah. Look, so they tried to build fire.
They built the fire. Damn aliens built the fire.
Ah. What is that? That damn guy's some green eye.
The hell? I don't like it.
Let's start working on it, brother.
I don't like it.
I think it's. Oh shit! It's out there! Fuck! Oh shit! Shit! Oh, no! Oh no! Oh shit! Where am I going? Oh shit! Fuck! It's fire! Oh shit! Oh shit! Give me! Billy! 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 I think Billy dead! Billy! Billy! Billy!
Well, I think that's gonna do it for Alien Natures on today's episode. I'm Jimmy J. Wyatt. This is Billy Wyatt. I think he's dead. Well, I'll catch you next time.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Billy Wyatt.
And I'm Jimmy James Wyatt.
That's Jimmy James Wyatt, and this is Alien Nature.
Welcome to a very special episode. Today, we're on location. And exactly where are we, motherfucker?
Where? What?
Can you hear me?
What?
Pop your ears, goddammit.
Oh. What'd you say?
I said, tell them where we're at.
I don't know where we're at. Where are we?
We are in Tallahassee Mountain, aka Lookout Mountain.
Oh, we're at Lookout Butthole Mountain. Okay, I see where we go. All right, let's go ahead and let's go see if we can get some aliens down this motherfucker. Oh shit! All right, we went halfway down. Look at these twigs.
I don't know what the hell that from.
I don't either.
But there.
Look at this. Look at there's a signal here, brother.
Look at that.
Look at that. There's a signal somebody made. Congratulations.
Yeah. You know what that is?
No, what is it?
That's contact.
Oh shit.
That's some contact from above. See, we're about 7,000 feet up in the air right now. If I jumped off this mountain, man, I'd hit the ground pretty fast, but unfortunately, you can't really jump off the mountain. That's impossible.
You just roll down it like. Nah, I'm not gonna go do that. Nah, that's
Unfortunately, we 7,000 feet up in there, and I don't really want to go rolling down 7,000. Anyway, we're trying to discover some really interesting shit around here. And unfortunately, we haven't seen shit.
Oh, look at this.
What did he find?
I don't know. It's a clue. Is this a clue? It might be a clue.
Feather.
It's a feather from Wyatt.
I don't know. Some bird, maybe a hawk.
We ain't never seen one of them gimmicks here.
Maybe a hawk. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we're very professional. We know what we're doing up in the mountains.
Yeah.
So don't copy our shit. Seen no goddamn mountain bugs.
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
I haven't seen no alien nature out here. I think they knew we was coming.
Yeah, I think so.
I think they knew. I haven't seen nothing. Nothing, no goddamn fucking shit. But we wanted to show you this beautiful mountain here. As you can see, we're a little bit down more towards the base of the mountain here. And as you can see, all around, there's a city and a big ass hill over there and pretty much all good shit. Oh shit. Holy crap, damn, I almost ate shit there.
He almost died, brother.
Oh my god. Oh shit, look at that thing over there.
What thing?
That damn, what a fucking satellite looking motherfucker.
Oh, it looks like a cow.
See, this whole mountain is not closed off because if they closed it off, you know, the people in the public start questioning the government and so they left it open. They just had that there, you know. You're not supposed to go up there and fuck with that shit, so that's what happened. Look at that little creature right there.
I have something to give you, Jimmy.
What the hell?
Let me see. Okay. Let me get this out for you. I got something for you, Jimmy. Here. Here's just something. Fuck you.
What the hell?
Yeah, stuck up here. Oh shit.
Where'd it go, motherfucker? You know, goddamn bell right there. Look at that. Look at that poor little alien right down there.
That some bitch. He wants to sit down there. You done something, bitch. Ah! Man, what about a pole?
Shelby, Sean, Destiny, Isaiah.
You know what that all is, brother?
That's all tagging from aliens.
Those
They're
people.
codes.
No, those people are dead.
I don't know. They're the ones who killed themselves down the mountain.
Yeah, look at that. Somebody rolled down that fucking piece of steep hill right there.
Yeah, look at that little spot right there. That look, there's a cigarette bud right there.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
We didn't really find anything interesting today, unfortunately. But don't mean we ain't coming back here.
No.
We just don't know when we're coming back here.
Yeah, next time hopefully we'll catch some stuff.
Yeah, but we just wanted to show you this place because this is one of my favorite places to go when I was a kid. So it's nice coming back up here though, even for a little bit of time we had. Sun's about to go down, so we need to go back into town and go back home and do shit there. So for Alien Nature, I'm Billy Beck. Sorry, I got too much sun today. I'm Jimmy James.
And I'm Billy Bob Wyatt.
We'll catch you next. This is Alien Nature. We'll catch you next time.
Damn. Oh. What?
I don't know. They're fucking cool. There you go. There you go. Turn around.
Oh my God! It's so windy out here. These birds can't fly. I'm Billy Bob Wyatt. This is Jimmy James Wyatt. It's so windy out here. Look at these birds can't even fly. These aliens can't fly.
I don't get
What?
why they even trying to fly.
I don't know. I think they're trying to get home. There's no aliens down there. I don't know, but there's a tumbleweed coming through. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. What would you call this, Jimmy?
I call that right there a hippity hop.
Where did he? I can't see it in the camera.
It's got good camouflage, that's why.
There it is. It's just too far away. Look at that. Look at that. What'd you call it?
Hippity hop.
It's a hippity hop, brother. Oh,
there you
shit,
go.
it's
There you
gonna
go.
attack.
He going away now. He going back to his nature. He going back to his shit. He gonna be all right there.
Oh God, they're trying to attack me, brother. Holy shit. Oh my God, that's where all the alien blood comes from, ain't it? All the alien blood.
And I come around here every so often, right? And I start seeing that green get in water there. You can't see it when it floats, you know. That's why the water's all blue.
Yeah.
It don't overflow and spill out and shit.
Yeah.
Like seriously, how the hell did they actually build a cement wall high enough to hide the water? You can tell that this is a man-made lake.
Yeah.
This is trippy as fuck. Not an official measurement. Measuring size for, yeah, whatever. Technically, where we're at right now, dude, this is actually funny. We're on one of the docks. Bumpy as shit. But it's kind of fun. What's that sign say? No boats. Says no boats right there. I guess I should walk back.